Hi, this is Mark from Caliber Home Loans. I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to use the total cost analysis. This is a program and a presentation that I use with all my clients, regardless of whether you're looking at a purchase or a refinance, and it just helps you visualize your options, gives you all of your closing costs, cash to close, how the payment is broken out, and we'll follow along with the options that we've discussed. So you've already gotten your personalized total cost analysis, or you're about to get your personalized total cost analysis. So this quick tutorial will just show you how to move around the program and get the most information from it. So let's just dive right in. So what you're looking at now is the just the top of the total cost analysis. So if you look at the left, there's the pancake menu. You can translate this into Spanish. You can print the report. You can share, so everything is controlled by a link. And once I've created your own total cost analysis, that link stays with you. And any changes that I make on my side automatically change on your side. You can switch the view if that's easier for you to look at. I actually personally like this view better. But the view, this is the default view is what you're looking at now. So if you're in this view, you can also clear, if anything's highlighted, I can clear it on my side, and you might be able to clear it on your side. So on the default view, you start with the total cost analysis. The reports for your name would be there, and if there's a property already, the property address would be in there, if not to be determined. And so you're going to have up to 4 columns. This particular analysis is for a fictitious house at $150,000, showing 3 different purchase options. So on a purchase, so it doesn't matter what the analysis, what the options are. So it'll show the purchase price, the loan amount, the interest rate for those different options, the APR, the term, 30, 15, 20 year fixed, or if it's an adjustable. The payment includes principal, interest, taxes, and insurance, and if there's a homeowners association, it'll include that also. And then the total cash to close. So then this particular analysis is based off the MSHDA. So the FHA is $102 a month cheaper, and the Home Ready, which is a conventional program, is $16 a month cheaper. But the MSHDA program is the cheapest to get in as far as the cash to close. So that's why I always do the different programs that you would qualify for, just to show you what your options are. So scroll down a little bit, the monthly payment difference. So again, you're showing the biggest payment savings is the FHA loan. And then the savings over 60 months is also the biggest savings is your FHA loan. And then the interest and mortgage insurance paid over the next 15 years, we'll show we'll compare the 3 options. So you'll notice on the right hand side of every one of these these screens, there's a more info button. You need to just click on those more info buttons, and it gives you more information based on that part of the analysis. So for instance, the interest in mortgage insurance that's already paid, that's being paid, it compares the 3, so it gives you the loan balance after 15 years, how much equity. I think we're basing this on 3% increase per year in the home price, total principal paid, total principal interest, and then the total interest and mortgage insurance that's paid over the next 15 years. So every one of these subcategories has a more info button. But what I'd like you to do is go back to the summary box, click the more info button, and this is where you get an actual breakdown of the payment. So you've got the principal and interest, the taxes, hazard insurance, which is homeowners insurance, and the mortgage insurance, if there is mortgage insurance, and if there's going to be a homeowners association, that'll also be included, and then the total monthly payment. So the closing cost tab, this will be broken out per property again, or per option. And so to get the actual breakdown, there's a fee detail at the bottom of every column. Click on the fee detail, and it gives you a complete rundown of all the fees, including escrow accounts, if you're going to have an escrow account for taxes and insurance. It includes the tax prorations on a purchase. Full transparency, these are the fees that you can expect at closing based on the scenarios that we're looking at. So again, great program. It gives you all the information in one place. And then if we're talking about different reinvestment strategies, whether you're increasing your payment to shorten your term or you're putting money away instead of putting it into the house, what does it look like over time? So we can actually have that conversation also. So again, this is just a real quick run through. It doesn't matter whether it's a purchase or it's a refinance. It's pretty much set up the same. Just want to encourage you to investigate, to look through all the, click on all the more info boxes, buttons, and then that'll bring up additional information. And then you'll get a much better experience from using the total cost analysis. Thanks a lot, and reach out with any questions.